Doobie doop doop de doop de doop Dan Pewter.
So, I believe we are ready to get this thing in here. So before we do that, the thing to note is, before you put your motherboard in, and these are in here somewhere, you will need these standoffs. Now if you can see in here, there are some standoffs already in place. So, I will need to add a few more though. So what you want to do is line up your motherboard like so, and see where you need to place the standoff. Which I will need one here, here, and here. Those are the ones that aren't in there yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Alright, so now we're going to get these standoffs in there. Like I said, most of them are already in, but we need these three down this side. That one went in there well. Let's try another one. That one doesn't want to go in there. I'm gripping it on with the Kleenex because it is really hard to go in there, and I don't have pliers with me. Maybe I should have recommended that in the beginning. That's almost all the way. So sometimes you come across minor difficulties. So I got this one in as good as I could with my fingers. We've got one more. And hopefully this one goes smoothly. Oh yeah. That one goes in there. Very nice. Okay. So, now it's time to put the motherboard in. So now it's time to put that motherboard in. Now I've never put one in with this back plate, I'm sorry, I keep calling it back, I/O shield already installed. So that's going to be interesting. We'll see if this goes smoothly, or like everything else, we have problems. But it looks like we're going to need to kind of pop that in these grooves. First, I need to get back here and look. Come back here and kind of look at what I'm doing. Okay. It goes just like that. Look at that. Okay, and then we will screw this in. So I need some screws and a screwdriver. I'm going to start with this one here. And problem is, I dropped a screw, and I don't have a screwdriver, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, alright, so we'll continue this process. Another screw. So this hole right here. Ah, that's not the right screw. That looks a little bit too big of a screw, so you got to make sure you have the right size. Let's get that one out. Doesn't want to come out. Well, maybe we will use that one. Oops. Yeah, it'll do just fine. It's going in there. Okay, we got it in there. Wasn't the screw I wanted, but it worked after all. Man, it's getting hot in here. I'm starting to sweat. Hopefully I don't bleed or cry. Don't want to do that. Let's keep going on these. Okay, this one right here. I'm going to screw it in, right? Indeed, mate. Screw that one in, yes. I'd say we're doing a good job here. And that one's pretty tight. And the next one. Good? Yepper. We're getting her done. Okay, that one's tight. Next. I like to make sound effects. I don't know why. Dun dun dun. Screw it in. Get it in there, Timmy. Okay. So we'll leave that one out. Now the point is, you don't have to have every single screw in there. As long as you have most of them, that should be good enough. We'll try a different screw though. Yeah, there's something wrong with that one. So we'll move on to the next hole. Which is, we got that one, that one, that one. Basically, all around the edge. That's where you need to make sure these screws are. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is way better. Now I can see. Kind of what I'm doing. Okay, so we got screw all around the edge. And that, my friends, is good enough. Alright, that was part 2 of our build. Watch part 3. We're getting closer to the end, but we're not there yet.